In Yakutia, the coldest inhabited region on Earth, where temperatures fall to -71 degrees Celsius, survival is a daily ritual. Here, in the silence of the Siberian winter, a single hunt can feed an entire village.
Снег сегодня еще мягче.
Да, и холоднее тоже.
Вешай через шарф, чтоб не щипало.
Сири, вон нож.
Кири, Маха.
Кири. Руйки, она.
This is the story of a traditional moose hunt, where strength, endurance, and unity decide whether the community thrives through the endless winter. At dawn, hunters do prepare for the hunting journey that may last several days. There are no snowmobiles, no engines, only the wooden sleds pulled by Yakut reindeer and dogs, guided by their unique instinct and the ancestral wisdom. The village hunters tie the ropes to the wooden sleds, check their sleds again, and feed their reindeers and dogs before setting off into the white expanse. The hunters' rifles are very simple and old, passed to them by generations gone. Their equipment are all handmade. Each man carries dried fishes, frozen breads, and say some prayers for good fortune.
Won't give the sled a chance to wander. Good, she's ready.
Ну все, детки, до весны.
Ждите мясо.
Смотрите за очагом. Мы скоро вернемся.
Мы будем ждать.
The journey is very long and silent. The air is colder than dry ice. Even the breath of reindeer freezes in mid-air. They follow every little sign left by a giant moose. At this time of the year, the animals move very slowly, conserving energy. But one misstep could mean frostbite or worse.
Чай почти кипятком, но руки все равно мерзнут.
Главное, что греет изнутри. Еще путь есть.
Arian's close then. Keep the dogs tight. Tracks cut east. Herd can't be far.
After long hours of tracking and waiting, the hunters find their quarry.
Watch the
a
tree.
massive Yakutia moose strong enough to feed the entire settlement.
Quiet. Listen to the snow. There. Keep low. Wait for the turn.
They wait for the right moment. A single clean shot ensures respect for the animal and gratitude for its life. Life and death are part of the same rhythm here. You heard it right. The hunt ends quickly. The gratitude begins.
Knife's under. Keep the pull steady.
The carcass does weigh over 5,000
Last time
kilograms.
this cold.
Every part of the moose will be
Almost
used.
through.
The ribs, feet. In fact, nothing wasted here. The best cuts of the meat, some are wrapped in reindeer skin and others just unwrapped, but packed well and placed on sleds. The hunters work fast so that no all meat are frozen before they reach home.
Keep it steady. Oh, good. Almost there. Set it down.
Keep them steady. We've a long way yet.
They feel the wind at their tails. They'll run true.
Hot enough to melt the ice.
Before they return home, they rest their tired bodies, have some conversation, share their joy of having a food that is going to feed the whole village. They drink and rest for their return journey home. The next day, early in the morning, before sun rises, they begin their return journey home.
Mike! Keep going, boys! Good dogs, almost there.
The village hunters return the hunting journey carrying more than food. It carries warmth, hope, and the strength of the entire village, the whole village's survival.
Тяни ровно, чтоб не свалилось.
The hunters return home together. Families welcome them with warm hugs and smiles. The meats are then sent to the main center in the village for all people to come and collect their share. The elders say a welcome address to them and say prayer for their hunt and safe journey home. The village people form a long queue to get their share of the meat. Meat are weighed to make sure equality is in place.
Спасибо. Дальше по одному. Всем хватит.
Мороз как стекло. Долго еще стоять?
Зато мясо теплее будет, Кэриам. Потерпи.
Главное, не замерзнуть руки.
The elders receive the liver first, believed to bring warmth to the soul. The ribs are shared among families with many children. The meat is boiled into rich broth, smoked over pine wood, or frozen to last the long months ahead. In this cold, even food must endure.
Хорошо. Скоро в путь.
May the spirits of the ancestors guide your path.
Yakutia village elders give final thanks to their ancestors, though they're normal fire rituals. After the Thanksgiving rituals, every family is now cooked delicious food with their meat.
Just now.
Families are happy and fulfilled, knowing they have food for the whole winter.
It's so hot, look at the steam!
Better than the winter outside, eh?
Tastes like the sun. Like summer hiding in a bowl. To the fire! To the fire!
Смахарастакита ахсири.
Бейқита қимир. Буол бутиете.
The colder it gets, the better this tastes, old people say. At 70 below, you feel it all the way to the bones.
Сегодня мороз 41, а завтра еще сильнее. Теплее не раньше весны.
Пусть хоть ветер стихнет, тогда и 71 не страшно.
Теплый суп помогает, бабуля.
Конечно, помогает. Ешьте, дети.
The night bites hard at 71 below. But the earth is quiet, peaceful.
Вот, набери.
Ай, тянет!
Пускай, пускай.
Хочу, чтобы все наелись.
Теплый огонь, да?
Очень. Смотри, искры летят.
For generations, the Yakut people have lived with the rhythm of nature. They take only what is needed and give thanks for what they receive. In a land where the air freezes before it moves, the spirit of the hunt keeps life warm. The moose gives its strength to the people, and the people remember.